With the Okuma MULTUS U3000, multitasking is more than an advanced machining process. It's a guaranteed shortcut to your most agile and flexible production yet. A 5,000 RPM spindle controls cuts for hard-to-machine materials, and a rigid lower turret minimizes cycle times. The opposing spindle eliminates secondary part handling and enables complete, single-setup part processing, while the upper turret allows for versatile part manufacturing. These four components work together to maintain consistent accuracy for any product volume and mix. Our latest CNC control, the OSP P500, creates additional value with revolutionary processing power and ergonomic intuitiveness for operators. Depending on applications and maintenance, various chip conveyor options and high-pressure coolant options are also available to protect the performance and longevity of this multitasking powerhouse. No matter the complexity of the cut or the length of the cycle, the Okuma MULTUS U3000 handles every job in the configuration that works best for your shop. Contact your Okuma distributor to learn more.